How much usually superhosts make? Well, it's a quite tricky question. Depends on how many properties you manage, what type of properties, depends on many factors. I know some people are super hosts with one property that making money for just for food or for coffee, but they still super hosts. Well, it depends. It depends on the property. It depends how you manage those properties, and of course, it depends on quality of those properties, the prices, how much you rent, how much you charge, and how many properties you manage. It all depends. In general, it's a very tough and very competitive business, because a lot of people assume that you don't need to have any professional qualities. Well, guess what? It's a very tough business. It's a very competitive. If I were you and just starting the Airbnb business, well, I would do something else. But again, if you have 10,000 hours and you're ready to start your journey, do it. Do it. If you need to have professional services, go to our website, completehospitalitymanagement.com, and we will help you with all things that you might need about Airbnb business, about hospitality management, about building your own site and platform for this type of business. Or even a system. We're building even a system for property management. All right? CompleteHospitalityManagement.com.